What if I told you there's a compact SUV in 2026 that quietly does almost everything right, without screaming for attention? Welcome back to Lux Drive Review, and today we're diving into the 2026 Ford Escape, a vehicle that's been making serious noise in a segment dominated by heavy hitters like the RAV4 and CR-V. But here's the question. Does the Escape finally have what it takes to stand out, or is it just playing catch-up again? Let's start from the backside, because first impressions matter, even when you're walking away from the car. The rear design of the 2026 Ford Escape feels clean, modern, and just sporty enough to grab your attention. You get sleek LED taillights that stretch horizontally, giving the SUV a wider and more planted look. The rear bumper has a slightly sculpted finish, and depending on the trim, you might even notice subtle chrome accents or a diffuser-style design. It's not overly aggressive, but it's definitely not boring either. Now let me ask you this. Do you prefer a bold, flashy rear design or something more clean and minimal like this? Moving over to the left side, the Escape continues to show off its balanced personality. The body lines are smooth, flowing from front to back without looking too sharp or too soft. There's a slight upward curve toward the rear that gives it a dynamic stance, especially when paired with the available 18 or 19-inch alloy wheels. Compared to something like the RAV4, which leans more toward a rugged, boxy design, the Escape feels more urban and refined. It's the kind of SUV that looks just as good parked outside as it does on a weekend road trip. Now shifting to the right side, and honestly the symmetry here works in its favor. Everything feels consistent, no awkward angles or unnecessary design experiments. The door handles, mirror design, and subtle character lines all come together nicely. One thing I really like is the visibility. Those slightly larger windows actually make a difference when you're driving in tight city streets. Have you ever driven an SUV where blind spots just ruin your confidence? This one tries to fix that. Alright, let's step inside, because this is where the 2026 Ford Escape really starts to show its improvements. The interior feels more modern than before, with a layout that's clean and easy to use. Right in front of you, there's a fully digital instrument cluster that gives you all the essential driving information in a crisp and customizable display. In the center, you get an 8 inches standard, but if you go for higher trims, that massive 13.2-inch screen completely changes the vibe of the cabin. And yes, it supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, which means no more dealing with cables every time you get in the car. There's also wireless charging, a premium B&O sound system, and even a 360-degree camera in the top trims. Now let me throw a question your way. How important is a big infotainment screen to you? Is it a must-have, or do you care more about simplicity? Comfort-wise, the Escape does a solid job. The seats are supportive and there's plenty of legroom, especially in the front. In fact, it actually offers more front legroom than both the CR-V and RAV4. Rear passengers aren't left out either. They get decent space and a comfortable seating position. The materials inside feel good for the price, though not exactly luxury level. But for a compact SUV, it hits a nice balance. Cargo space is practical too. It may not be the absolute best in class, but it's more than enough for groceries, luggage, or even a weekend getaway. And if you fold the rear seats down, you get a flat loading area that makes life a lot easier. Now think about your daily routine. Would this amount of space be enough for you? Let's talk about what's under the hood, because this is where the Escape gives you real choices. The base engine is a 1.5-liter turbocharged 3-cylinder. It's designed for efficiency and daily driving, delivering solid fuel economy, perfect if you're mostly commuting or driving in the city. It's not the most exciting engine, but it gets the job done. But if you want something with more punch, the 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine is where things get interesting. With around 250 horsepower, this version of the Escape can go from 0 to 60 in about 6.6 seconds. That's genuinely quick for a compact SUV. It feels more confident on highways, especially when overtaking or merging into fast traffic. So here's the question. Would you go for better fuel economy, or would you choose performance every time? And then we have the hybrid options, which honestly might be the choice for many drivers. The standard hybrid delivers around 192 horsepower and offers excellent fuel economy, perfect for city driving and stop-and-go traffic. But the plug-in hybrid takes things even further, with about 210 horsepower and an electric-only range of roughly 37 miles. That means for short daily commutes, you might not even need to use gasoline at all. Imagine driving to work every day without stopping at a fuel station. Sounds tempting, right? On the road, the Escape feels light and easy to handle. It's not trying to be a sports car, but it's definitely more agile than you'd expect. Parking is simple, turning is smooth, and it doesn't feel bulky in tight spaces. The suspension leans slightly toward the firm side, which helps with handling, but you might feel bumps a bit more on rough roads. Still, for most daily driving situations, it strikes a good balance. Safety is another area where the Escape comes well equipped. Every model comes with Ford's Co-Pilot 360 suite, which includes features like automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, lane keeping assist, rear cross-traffic alert, and automatic high beams. Higher trims also bring adaptive cruise control, making highway driving more relaxed. Let me ask you, do safety features influence your buying decision, or do you focus more on performance and design? Now let's talk about the price, because this is where things get really interesting. The 2026 Ford Escape starts at around $29,500, making it competitive right out of the gate. If you go all the way up to the plug-in hybrid with all the features, you're looking at just under $40,000. Considering the technology, engine options, and overall comfort, that pricing feels pretty reasonable. But here's the real question. Would you pick this over a RAV4 or CR-V? Both of those are strong competitors with proven reliability and strong resale value. But the Escape fights back with more engine choices, better front legroom, and a more modern tech experience in higher trims. So, final verdict. The 2026 Ford Escape may not completely reinvent the compact SUV segment, but it doesn't need to. It focuses on what actually matters: comfort, flexibility, fuel efficiency, and usable technology. It's a smart, well-rounded option for anyone who wants a practical SUV without giving up modern features or driving enjoyment. It's not perfect. The base engine could feel a bit underwhelming for some, and the ride might be slightly firm on rough roads. But overall, it does enough things right to seriously compete with the best in its class. So now I want to hear from you. Would you consider buying the 2026 Ford Escape, or are you sticking with something like the RAV4 or CR-V? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, because your opinion matters here. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and follow Lux Drive Review for more in-depth car reviews just like this. And trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next.